Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing like a purple bluish type of halo. I think I kind of wanted to ease myself back into color, and this was the perfect way to do it. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and also check out my lash line. I'll leave the link in my bio.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel, peeps. So today I think we're gonna be doing some color because I haven't done any color in a while. Don't know which color we're gonna be doing yet. Sorry, I'm looking all around. But we are gonna be starting out with the Grafton Cosmetics eyeshadow base. If I can find my brush, that's what I'm looking for. I'm like looking around trying to find the brush. I don't know where it is. Oh, here we go. It's right here in front of my face. Okay, great. So I'm gonna be putting this all over my lid. You guys know how I do. I know you guys asked me if I use primers. To my knowledge, I don't. I just use this base. You guys know I'm like self-taught, so I don't know like all the proper terms and stuff. I don't know if this is a primer. I just know that it's called a base and I put it on, so it might be a primer. I don't know. You don't know say, okay? But this is what we do. We're just gonna apply it. I know I've been out of the color game for a little bit, so definitely working on getting back in, and today is probably gonna be the start of that. I did record like a red lipstick. Me and red lipstick do not get along, so it will not be making it to the YouTube channel because that was just, I don't know, it was just horrible. I just don't feel comfortable with red lipstick. Like I don't feel comfortable with anything on my lips besides like a nude. That's like my zhuzh. I used to back in the day. I used to do like purples and all this different crazy type of shit, and now I'm just kind of like I'm more modest and a wholesome woman. I'm just playing. Okay, so let's get started. Go ahead and get started. I think we're gonna be doing like a purple, pinkish, bluish type of look today. You guys, I don't know what's been going on with me lately, but I've been like just doing like simple shimmer looks. I don't know if it's because like I just lost my passion. I don't know. I really don't know, but we're gonna start out and let's go ahead and get started. How many times have I said that? I don't know. Yeah, let's do this one, and this one. Let's do those. Yeah, let's see how that works out. You guys know that the Grafton Cosmetics eyeshadow base, or any base really, it kind of creases, so you just want to make sure that you kind of rub those creases out before you get started, okay? Because it's very important, otherwise your eyeshadow will crease and then it's just going to cause a whole mess, and you don't need those problems. So okay, so we're going to start out with the pink. Lord, I hope this is soft enough. I wonder if I have like a softer pink. I probably don't. Nope, you don't. Okay, so we're gonna roll out with that. I'm a little nervous, but yeah, this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna start out with the pink. I don't know why color scares me. Like back in the day, back in the Disney, as you guys can tell from my YouTube channel, I was loving my colors. I was living for the colors, and now it's just kind of like Ari is just like, we gotta do simple stuff now. Why am I like that? I don't know. I just, you know, it be like this sometimes. I'm gonna just blend this, making sure I blend all in the inner corner as well. And that outer corner, you want to do a nice little build up on this, just to make sure that it pops again, because we're going to be going in with like a deeper purple, and so you still want to be able to see your pink. And I'm just going all into the inner corner, bringing that in, bringing it in. Okay, because I don't want to be too bright. Oh, okay, inner corner. real bubblegum bubblicious at this point. Yep, 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 yep. Listen, my wig is not secure today, so if you see something, mind your business, okay? No, we were taught to, if you see something, say something. I'm telling you right now, mind your beeswax, okay? Just going through a lot today. We're going through a lot. Okay, so now we want to go in and we're going to do the purple on inside of the crease. We want to do the purple. Oh my goodness, I am running so late. Okay. What is wrong with me? I don't. Let's do this color. Let's do that one. Okay. All right. So let's do that. Okay. So we're gonna start on the outer edges. You guys know I'm not really good at doing halos. Let me make sure I'm turned in. I'm not really good at doing halos, but we're gonna try because I love a good halo. I love. Oh. Okay, I love a good halo, but I'm just not really good at doing them. So we're gonna try it and just see what happens. Let's hopefully comes out good. I'm just gonna make sure I go into the inner corner with this, bringing this in. And just making sure that the inner corner, that is like where I struggle, my inner corner, blending in there when I do a halo. Like blending in that inner corner is so tough for me. Cause it just don't ever want to blend right. I don't know. It's like you just don't want to cooperate with me. And then just trying to find a brush that's small enough to get in there. Get in there. And I'm just gonna do the outer corners. Just making sure that we are blending. Like I said, I'm kind of focusing on that inner corner because I need it to be blended to the quartz, okay? We don't need no type of creases over here. It's not what we're going for today. I mean, any day, but specifically today for sure. And I'm just blending the outer corner. When doing halos. Okay, so I think that eye is good. So we're gonna start over here and do the same thing. So hopefully, because I have to go to work today, so hopefully this comes out pretty good, you know, pretty usable. So we're just going to make sure that those inner corners are blended. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with that pink color because I want it to still kind of show, and I feel like on this eye it's not really showing. So I'm just gonna go in on the outer edges of it and just bring it back. Bring it back, bring it back. Okay. Same thing on this one. This one I can kind of see it, so I'm not gonna go like too crazy. But on that other one, I just couldn't see it, so couldn't see the vision. Okay, I'm gonna do, because I'm like kind of like a perfectionist, not all the way a perfectionist, but like a little bit. So I'm gonna do like some more purple, just so it can be darker, like the other eye. I feel like the other eye is a little bit dark, so yeah. Alright peeps, so I did wind up cutting the crease slightly. Y'all know I'm not the best at this. So I did attempt it. Like, it's just hard for me to do a freaking halo. Like, I don't know. I don't do. It just never comes out the same. And yeah, it's just, I don't know. That's all I can say is I don't freaking know. Okay, but we're gonna attempt to finish this anyway. We're gonna attempt it. We're gonna go in with, I kind of want to do like a purple shimmer before I go into the blue, but I'm gonna behave. So we're gonna go in with the blue right here in the center, and we're just going to apply that right there in the center where we cut our crease. Who knows, I may go in with the purple afterwards. Okay, so then I'm going to go back in with the purple that we've been using, and I'm just going to blend. Because you want this to kind of seem like an easy transition, like not too harsh. Okay. Side out. Alright peeps, so this is my finished look. I hope you guys like it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel below. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching.